Okay, I'm Arnie Scott with Ruff N Ready K9 Training Services. Here we're going to start some obedience lesson with a Doberman Pincher. He's 3 years old. His name is Rocky. This dog has grown into a normal size American Doberman Pinscher, and his body is well fit. He's in good physical shape. He has no temperament instability. However, we're starting basic obedience commands with him, and there's about 6 commands, but what we're doing is called leash breaking. We're just getting this dog used to the leash and walking with the handler by his side at heel position, with his shoulders lined up with the left leg. And with this dog, this is day number 2 on his obedience and leash breaking. It usually takes about 4 days to complete this learning precept on the dog. However, you have some dogs with behavioral problems, such as this guy. These aren't developed behavioral problems. These are just behavioral problems that come to the surface when you start training with the dog. He's a dominant Doberman, which means he does show signs of aggression, and he will bite intermittently when you least expect it. And he does this because he's been used to doing what he wants, and he's dominant. So we don't have time to play games with this guy, so what we do is that we're doing the leash breaking by utilizing the muzzle. What this muzzle does, we use it in police work as an artificial loader for aggression training when we're teaching bite phases. But with this dog here, we have to use it to prevent unnecessary bites from him, because like I said before, we don't have time to play games and do any behavioral modification. This muzzle is designed by Ray Allen's Manufacturing in Colorado Springs, who's the chief supplier for most police and military working dog trainers in the field. So what we're going to do is start off with a simple choke chain that we're using, which is put on properly, a 6-foot obedience lead with a brass hook, which don't break as easy as the zinc ones or the aluminum zinc ones. You can see the dog's a little tense here, but what we want him to do is not just heel perfectly on his first week or first 2 weeks of training, but we just want him to be able to walk with us on the command of heel. We're still teaching him the word heel. So anything you see or any mistakes you see with this dog does not mean that the training is absolute. It just means we're developing the skills and the behavior in the dog. So the first skill we're teaching is the heel behavior, and this is how it starts off. We're going to do a heel around this yard here and just get his ears and his mind right, so that way he can hear the command and respond to it whenever we give a hand signal along with the command.